How you doing, guys? My name is Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. This video is actually a short video to talk about the video that I'm not finished with yet. So this video is for my friend Frankie, Crazy Frankie over at Mmats. Frankie, I told you I'm working on the video like I promised. And in the upcoming video, we're going to have the Ground Zero coaxial versus, everybody knows this bad boy, the Beyma coaxial. It's a pro audio driver, compression horn loaded in. This is Ground Zero version, same thing. We do a lot of Harleys, a lot of bikes, and these speakers are very popular. This is Mmats is pro audio coaxial. It's the PA601cx. We're putting that up against the new Hertz Marine coaxial Power Sports. So each one of these speakers has its benefit. Each one of the speakers shines in a category. Anybody that knows the Beyma knows it's, in my opinion, the undisputed king of the ring. It's the amount of output you get from this thing. The quality is hard to beat, hard to match. So now I'm going to put them all head to head against each other. They each have their benefits and their drawbacks. Like the Beyma doesn't have a round flange, so you have to custom make a grill, and it's really, really deep, so it's hard to install. The Mmats driver fits in without cutting the fairing. It fits all your street glides, your road glide. The output is amazing for what it is. It's got a more traditional style tweeter. It's not running a Horde tweeter, so it's got a smoother, but it doesn't have the output that the other guys have. But I'm not getting into that now. I'm actually going to put the reviews take me longer to put together because testing these head to head were really hard. The output is so different that you have to keep changing the scale on the RTA to keep everything on the screen. So I decided to put the Beyma head to head with the Ground Zero since they're really similar and they have a similar type of output. And then I'm putting the Mmats up against the Hertz Marine. That way it's less adjustments on the screen and it's easier to compare. We carry all four here at the shop. It depends on what the customer's trying to do. Each serve their own purpose. They're all high quality. They all have excellent warranty. With the failure rate on all of them is next to none. We run a DSP on every bike that we build, so if you give these speakers the exact frequency that they want, the output is tremendous, it's amazing, and one of these drivers will be able to make your client happy. So give me a couple more days to finish testing and then editing the videos and the pictures, then upload it. So if you guys are interested, you can log back in. You'll see the Mmats coaxial versus the Hertz coaxial, and you'll see the Beyma coaxial versus the Ground Zero coaxial. That's it. Give me some time to put the video together. I told you, Frankie, I didn't forget you. I got you.